This isn't just your normal little omelette. This is full of food. These are Granby's easy cooked sausages. Fantastic. They're already cooked for you. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious omelette with some peppers. You've probably got them in the house. Red onion, some fresh herbs, and some free-range eggs. Your tummy's going to thank you for this one. It's going to be simple and delicious. These are going to save you so much time. Easy cooked sausages. Just throw them in the air fryer, throw them in the pan, throw them in the oven, throw them in the air. Just eat them. They're absolutely delicious. So, little touch of olive oil, and then we're going to put in the onions and peppers. If you drop a bit of shell into the egg when you crack it, use the shell itself to grab it back out. It's the only thing that's going to grab it. It's a real top tip, super handy. Pre-season your eggs before you whip them, or beat them, and then you don't want to beat them too much. Because these sausages are already cooked, this is where we're not having to wait around. So this is your fast food. You see how delicious that's looking? Little lid on top. Throw your herbs over. You don't want to put them in the beginning because you're going to lose all that freshness. This will feed two beasts in the gym who are getting ready to like pump some iron and want a bit of energy, or four mates who want to come around and have a lovely meal. This is just going to feed everyone up. Sausages and peppers. That's simple, that's delicious, and it takes a couple of minutes.